this is the Real Perla, and I am back on here. All of you guys who are supporting me on this YouTube channel, I'm gonna give you guys thanks. We're at the office today. I am working by myself because there's nobody here, and I think tonight they are going to have a lotería night. So aquí estoy sola, pero así traigo el pelo todo loco. Y me sale una pimple right here, like una espinilla. ¿Para qué me sale por aquí? Pero les voy a enseñar un poquito de la oficina. So ahorita se las enseño a ver qué les parece. So este es como una little meeting office that we have right here. Y aquí es donde hacen las clases. Y acá está reception. Y lo voy a pasar a ver, espérenme. Acá está otra little office. Aquí estamos en Midtown, Houston. Aquí está our waiting area. Another, I think right here is where Berta, la lender, siempre está. Y acá está la oficina de mi broker. Y miren, le gusta pistear a mi broker.
Si necesitas reggaetón, dale. Sigue bailando, mami, no pare.
So, he's a party person. No se crean. Puro show. Pero anyway, este es como se mira la oficina. Y traigo la camisa que me puse en Vegas, o no me van a criticar, porque la puedo usar otra vez, así es que no me estén diciendo que, porque sale con la misma camisa. Y no se crean. Pero anyway, no sé si me voy a quedar a la lotería night, to be honest, like, no sé. Pero a ver qué pasa. Yummy. I don't know if I should take a shot or start eating. So I'm just gonna stay for a little bit because I have to go home to the kids, but I'm just gonna stay for a little bit. I already worked, send my clients their offers and everything, so now I'm just gonna, play for a little bit and then go home early. Finished my workout. Today's barely day number 2 of eating better and just staying consistent. But anyways, guys, I usually don't wear makeup to the gym, but today I got ready, and I usually don't wear makeup every single day out of the week. I usually wear makeup sometimes during the weekend, for my showings and stuff like that. But anyway, this is my second day of working out, and I am gonna stay consistent, and let's see what results I can get. Motivation for a lot of people that are trying to lose weight. Anyway, guys, I know a lot of pretty girls come to the gym all glammed up and with their makeup, their extensions, their hair, etc., looking cute with the little outfits and everything. I don't know, like, I was always never that kind of girl, but it does make you feel like good when you're working out. It makes you more motivated, I think. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit more ready to come to the gym instead of just looking like crap when I come to the gym. But anyway, I definitely feel way better working out during the evenings, but I'm going to try to work out in the mornings. And I am so excited to share with you guys my results. I never catch a break, guys. This kid keeps getting sick and sick all the time. Like, can I get a break? Like, I went to work and I just wanted to go to the gym today and, you know, just start working out. Like, I need to work out. And of course, this kid ruins my plans by getting sick, having a stomachache, and I don't know what else you have. And they had to COVID test him so he can go back to school. And I'm sure he doesn't want to go back to school, but I don't care because he has to go back to school, right, Jaden? Yes, you do. You gotta go back to school. Sorry, buddy, you gotta go back to school. Hey.
Thank you.
Oh, look at the happy face. Una carita feliz. Así como está feliz la carita, también va a estar feliz el huevito.
Del vacío de Austin. Uy, pero no se la dieron. ¿Más por eso? Pero no por eso. Va a ser commercial, ¿verdad? Al rato. De Texas, de Chevy Built.
Oh, ¿nos vas a dar más camarones?
Estos son tus camarones para tu carne.
Ah, yummy. Ahora viene lo bueno, las carnes. No es foto, papi. Traje a mi mamá a un steakhouse.
Pero te está viendo a ti, me vas a oír a mí.
Te están oyendo a ti, papi. Dije hi.
Eso, hi.
Pero lo que quiero decir es que la cumpleañera cumpleaños ayer y les trajimos aquí a comer al Brazilian Steakhouse, Avenida Brasil. Y espero que le guste la comida a mi mami. Por ahora el Día de las Madres también. Pero dice mi mami que no le avisamos y se vino un poquito casual, pero siempre se mira hermosa. Mira. Felicidades, mami. Felicidades. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Bravo, las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David. Hoy por ser desde tus santos te las cantamos a ti. Despierta, vida despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Y ahora varios cantan, la luna ya se metió. Una wish, un deseo, mami. Gracias. Está leyendo mi mamá la carta, no, la están interrumpiendo. Excuse me, pay attention. Pay attention. Ok, ¿qué dice mami?
Bueno, la atención, por favor, acá.
Todos los días le pido a Dios.
Ya la 3 veces.
Pay the fuck attention!
Ya la leyó ahí, lo peló.
Te quiero mucho.
Starbucks run, yay. Been cleaning all day. I look like crap, but anyway, this is motherhood. Sometimes you're gonna look all glammed up and looking nice, and other days you're gonna be looking like crap. But you know, you just gotta go with the flow. Anyway, this is how I look most of the days. I'm just playing. But no, for real. Like, this is literally like my look. Like, I don't wear makeup. My hair is all like in a bun and everything. But anyway, we went to get some Starbucks and JJ is excited about it. You guys, I'm about to weigh myself and I am freaking out because I'm about to cry when I see this scale. Look how much I weigh. This is so ridiculous. Like, I really want to cry right now. Acá mirando una casa. I'm showing my clients a house acá en un rancho wannabe. Y que se me ponchó una llanta. Anyway. I'm over here driving like a grandma, trying to get home. para que mi husband me acomode la llanta con las de emergencia. Y yeah, anyway, you guys, this is the real estate life, you know. We're over here in the streets.
Coming at your door, you start to scream out loud. Wu-Tang's back for more. Yes, this shit is raw coming at your door. You start to prepare for mic fight. And plus the cold water.
You know, making that money, trying to, like, you know, survive the heat, aguantando calorón, you know, manejando todos los días y teniendo pues estos tipos de accidentes. Anyway, being a realtor, it's fun, but it's no games. You gotta be in the streets, and of course you're gonna have the risk of a flat tire. So, update, I made it home, and I am over here in my garage, and let's see how bad this tire is. I mean, I saw that it was like flat, and I called my husband right away, and he told me to freaking drive. Oh my god, I can't even get out. But oh my god, it was not this bad, but he freaking made me drive it, and it got worse. Oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna need a new freaking tire. Why me? Why me? I am
These are many
really
brands.
tired, and I'm just
Look.
gonna take a nap.
They're Star Wars. It's Disney because it's Star Wars.
And this kid is
And
just
there's
not
the
leaving me
puzzle.
alone, and I just want to take a
And-
nap, and he's not leaving me
And there's a
alone.
microphone so you can call your grandma. Where, what's up? And New York could poop our pants and smack them. With New York, we saw somebody pooping.
In the streets. You saw somebody pooping in the streets?
Yeah.
You stop. You're so disgusting.
This is me next to the party.
Oh, look at our pictures from from yesterday's party.
This is me right here. I'm cooler.
Just finished my home out workout. I didn't make it to the gym today, but I did a home workout. So anyway, I've been doing really good this week. My eating has been okay, not perfect, but okay. But anyway, I did like a YouTube workout. Right now she's just cooling off. But anyway, I'm so excited because I'm not giving up. I'm going very slow this time. I'm not being very strict with my diet because last time when I did my first weight loss journey ever, which was in 2014, it was very strict. My YouTube channel is going to be based of my experiences, but I hope that, you know, someone that is going through something like I have, like I just wanted everybody to just, you know, be confident enough to share your stories, to share your life, because at the end of the day, no one's perfect, right? Hey, Real Lives, update on my YouTube channel over here. I am so tired. I'm here at the gym. I lost only 5 pounds the last 3 weeks. That's it. 5 pounds. That is not what I was expecting. I was expecting at least 10 pounds. But anyway, guys, I am not giving up. I still have 2 months and a couple of weeks for my birthday. So let's get it. I have a lot coming up in my channel, so you guys stay tuned, because it's gonna be quite a few adventures that we're going in, especially this summer. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for all your support. I love you guys. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, you know the rules.